Benefits of honey. Honey is a sweet, viscous liquid that is produced by bees from the nectar of flowers. Honey has been used for centuries as a natural sweetener, food, and medicine. Honey is composed of mainly sugar, fructose and glucose, and water, but it also contains small amounts of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The color, flavor, and aroma of honey can vary depending on the type of flower from which the bees collected the nectar. There are more than 300 different types of honey in the world, each with its unique characteristics. Some of the most popular types of honey include clover honey, wildflower honey, and manuka honey. Honey has been used for medicinal purposes for thousands of years, and it is still used today to treat coughs, sore throats, wounds, and burns. Honey has antibacterial and antifungal properties that make it effective against a wide range of microorganisms. Honey also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and inflammation. Honey is an excellent natural moisturizer and can be used to soothe and hydrate dry skin. Honey is a natural source of energy and is often used by athletes as a pre-workout or post-workout snack. Honey has a low glycemic index, which means that it does not cause a rapid rise in blood sugar levels. Honey can be used in a variety of ways, including as a sweetener for tea or coffee, as a spread on toast, as a topping for yogurt or ice cream, and as an ingredient in baking. Honey has a long shelf life and can be stored at room temperature for several months. Honey is a popular ingredient in many traditional dishes from around the world, including baklava, mead, and honey-glazed ham. In some cultures, honey is considered to be a symbol of love, fertility, and good luck. Honeybees play an important role in pollinating crops and plants, and their honey production helps to support local ecosystems. Honeybees communicate with each other using a complex dance that helps them to find and collect nectar from flowers. Honeybees have been domesticated by humans for thousands of years, and beekeeping is still a popular activity around the world. Honey is harvested from beehives by beekeepers, who remove the honeycomb and extract the honey using a centrifuge. The production of honey can vary depending on the location and climate, but a healthy beehive can produce up to 60 pounds of honey per year. Raw honey is honey that has not been filtered or pasteurized, and it may contain small particles of pollen and beeswax. Raw honey is considered to be more nutritious than processed honey, as it retains more of its natural enzymes and antioxidants. Honey should not be given to infants under 1 year of age, as it may contain spores of the bacteria that causes botulism. Some people may be allergic to honey or have a sensitivity to it, and they may experience symptoms such as hives, itching, or swelling. Honey is often used in natural remedies for seasonal allergies, as it may help to desensitize the body to pollen. Honey has been used in traditional medicine to treat a wide range of ailments, including digestive disorders, respiratory infections, and skin conditions. Honey is a versatile and delicious ingredient that has been enjoyed by humans for thousands of years. Medication, or cosmetic ingredient, honey remains a popular and valued commodity. Its unique flavor, texture, and health benefits make it a staple in many households and cultures around the world. However, it is important to ensure that honey is sourced sustainably and ethically to support both the bees and the environment. As such, choosing organic and locally produced honey is recommended to ensure the highest quality and most environmentally friendly product possible. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.